Doesn't have to be on your card. Ask anything.
Why do you want to run for office?
Well, I am running for office already, so I gotta cross that bar to get to this